This is a complete installation of the Klipsch 500SA. Like I mentioned before, one reason why I like it because they have a switch. You can switch it from Dolby Atmos to surround sound without having to go into main menu to reset the crossovers and things like that. So this is a complete installation of it. And so it took about a week and a half to try to get this thing organized, calibrated, and to get the sound up. It may be a little dark, but I wanted to show a quick display of a particular movie. And so nevertheless, let me see if I can get this started.
How come you don't go up there and dance? Look like you could dance real good.
Practicing.
Yeah? You know how to do the horizontal mambo? Hey, Jeannie, I just kid around. I don't do that. Keep that.
That's only $3. I can't take this.
Keep it. It's my way of saying I'm sorry.
Thanks.
All right, there you have